Today has come. Federal Reserve is about to cut interest rate, and the question is how much they are going to cut interest rate and how much the market is going to pump afterwards. This show is dedicated to that because this is an important day in the crypto market history, because every single time after the rate cuts we're seeing explosion in the markets, cheap money flooding into the market. So let's see what does it mean for your bags, for your altcoin season, where we are in the phase of the market. Let's dive right into it. So we are seeing that Ethereum, after pumping to $4,800, it was sliding down back to find the support around $4,500 right now. The question is, are we done with this little dip and now about to send crypto way higher? All of the altcoins way higher, just like gold is been pumping like crazy week after week. So what we're seeing right now is the FOMC meeting with Federal Reserve. And since 2020, every September, FOMC, except during the 2022 bear market, has set Bitcoin up for a massive pump, regardless whether it was cut rates or not. But right now we are seeing that there is 91% chance on the 25% BPS decrease and 8% chance of 50 plus BPS decrease. So if we're gonna see 0.5% decrease in interest rates, of course the altcoins are going to skyrocket. Now the question is whether this decrease is already priced into the market, because you know, we have a very extremely high probability that the interest rates are going to be cut, right? There is a poly market here. No change is only 2%. So it's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen in very soon, in about 4 hours from now. So let's take a look at what does it mean for the market. White House advisor Navarro urges the Fed to slash rates for 50 basis points today, in another 50 in the next meeting. Now here is from Adam Kobasi. Fed Week fun facts. Since 1980, the Fed has cut rates 20 times, with the S&P 500 within 2% of all-time highs, which is what we are right now. 100% of rate cuts since 1980, with S&P 500 record highs, led to more record highs 12 months later. And now we are middle of AI revolution. We're literally seeing billions and billions of dollars are flooding by the tech companies, the Magnificent Seven, into the artificial intelligence. So what does it mean for the market? Well, S&P 500 is about to skyrocket even more. And crypto and Bitcoin, well, we're entering this phase of the market where if you're bearish right now, what it is that you're afraid of. The charts look very bullish on Bitcoin over here. Yes, it's moving maybe slower than you would like. It's not the usual Bitcoin trading at $2,000. Right now it's $116,000. The big assets, institutional money is dominating over here right now. But we are at this phase of the market where the smaller altcoins are going to pump. We see BNB getting closer to $1,000 for one BNB. This is insane, because BNB was launched at just 10 cents. Just 10 cents. We're seeing Ripple is ripping through as well, close to the previous all-time high. And other altcoins, you know, they're just getting ready to explode. I can see it, I can smell it, I can sense it, that something big is gonna happen. And we're not seeing the blow off top yet. We're not seeing the craziness in the market like we see during the peaks of the bull run. So this next phase is what we need to anticipate. So if Powell is gonna hit more rate cuts, market will go parabolic. This is the Fed interest rate decision, very important for the market. The crypto fear and greed index is neutral right now. So it's not at the greed level, it's not at the fear level. It is neutral right now, observing what is the next move going to happen. So expect volatility today. Around this time, expect volatility today. Massive signal flashing for Bitcoin dominance, pointing to a major altcoin season ahead. If you look at this 2-week chart, this 2-week chart shows that when the blue line is going below, crossing below the orange line, that's when I see the dominance of Bitcoin going down, and of course altcoin explode. So all of that points to the altcoin season is right here gonna be. You can see by the index, if you go to and search for altcoin season index, you're gonna see over here how much we're into this altcoin season right now. Altcoin season 87. Wait a second, over here. Let's look at another one. Coin glass. Altcoin season index is right around 76 right now. So if you look at 2021, you know, when we're hitting these levels, that's when the altcoins start pumping. They start pumping a lot. So this is where we are in the market. So anticipate and expect that your altcoin bags are going to outperform. Huge whale bought $700 million worth of Bitcoin before the rate cut. He knows something that is coming. Solana is gearing up for an amazing run-up. Why? Because there is a lot of Solana that the treasury companies has been buying. Like for example, just Mike Novogratz with his company Galaxy Digital has scooped up $1.55 billion of Solana in 5 days. Craziness. The treasury companies right now hold about 3% of the supply. Stablecoin inflows on Solana are exploding, and once it breaks $250, the longer-term target can be new all-time highs. We're seeing that 31,000 stores now accept Bitcoin in South Africa, so it's good to see the explosion of adoption is continuing to happen. Metaplanet, the Japanese company, are raising another $1.4 billion to buy more Bitcoin. They just can't be hungry enough for Bitcoin. And phase 3 of the market, the large cap, this is when after the Bitcoin pump, Ethereum pump, phase 3, the large cap can pump, you know, for all of this smaller coins, not smaller than Ethereum, right? And the altcoin season is phase 4. It's phase 4 when the smaller caps are going parabolic every single day. We're seeing new all-time highs for the global liquidity index, which means the Bitcoin is going to follow. It always follows. When there is more money in the markets, more liquidity in the markets, that's where it's going to find its way into Bitcoin. And look at September right now. September is bullish right now. We are in the green. September is in the green right now. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. It's in the green right now. And looking at the past, okay, what we can see, whenever September in its history of Bitcoin monthly returns was in the green, the following month, October, was also in the green. Right now we are in the green. So that's an indicator. That we're heading into October. Also, the dollar index is crashing down. Dollar is getting weakened a little bit over here, which also points to more money can flood into crypto. There's not just enough liquidity in the market for Bitcoin. These companies are scooping up this Bitcoin, a lot from the exchanges. If you look at the inflow, 292 million, 260 million, 640 million, 550 million, 740 million. It's just a lot of money that is flowing to buy Bitcoin. This is spot Bitcoin spot ETF, right? So good times is ahead of us. Buckle up. We are seeing a very bullish setup. This is a monthly chart for Bitcoin. It is a very bullish setup, right? We rose, we went down, now we're rising again. We're in the middle of the month, and we have not seen this RSI going to the levels that we've seen before during the peaks of the cycle. So all the fun is still ahead of us. That's my conclusion. Altcoin season, big altcoin season is in front of us. So that's my take for today's show. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash up the like, sign up for the exchange below. If you don't have an account on the exchange, you can start trading, whether it's spot or futures. And be careful out there in the crypto space. Always laddering in, and don't forget to take in profits. I'm gonna see you in the next video update.